Welcome Riddhi Veg Finance. We are presenting share target for SME IPOs, which has been listed 2021, and we are given this target minimum INR and maximum money share target. In maximum INR, we are expecting this target should completed up to 31st Jan 2022. So wait and watch. We are going to upload there are number of trending shares in the next weeks. So wait and watch, keep a tap on us, and have a great day, guys. Have a good weekend. Happy Sunday. Bye bye. Vridivej Finance presenting few shares of the target in this template, where we are talking about Nidan Laboratories and Healthcare. In that case, we give the minimum target for this share is minimum INR 80 and maximum INR 130. Where Kotiark Industries, we are expecting minimum share target for 65 and maximum share target in INR is 120. DK Enterprise Globals Limited, we are expecting minimum share target in INR will be 28 and maximum will it goes as 64. Where Destiny Logistic and Infra Limited, we are expecting minimum share target 10 and maximum share target in INR will be 28. Dynamic Services Securities, we are expecting this target could be goes down up to 25 rupees and maximum it can goes up to 60 rupees. Bombay Matrix Supply Chain Limited, we are expecting this target should minimum goes down up to 100 in INR and maximum it can goes up to 165. Janam Ferro Alloy India Limited, we are expecting it can touch up 65 rupees minimum and maximum it can touch up 120 INR. So in case of Quadrapros ITs Limited, we are expecting this target should goes down below 10 around 10 rupees, where maximum it can goes up to 25 rupees. BEW Engineering, we are expecting this target could goes down between can goes up to 260 minimum INR and maximum it can goes to 450. DU Digital Technologies Limited, we are expecting this target should goes down up to 110 INR and it can goes maximum up to 150. Where Rex Pipes and Cables Industry, we are expecting minimum INR going down towards it may touch 30 rupees, where maximum INR it can goes to 65. Network People Service Limited Technology, and this can goes bill up to 50 rupees, where maximum it can goes up to 70 rupees. Valpal Nutrition Limited, we are expecting if it is goes down it can touch till 25 rupees and it can go above maximum 42 rupees. Abhishek Integration Limited, we are expecting this company can gives a least INR 22 and maximum it could goes up to 30. Where VMarks India Limited, we are expecting minimum INR goes up to 22 and maximum it can touch up to 48. Where Siddhika Coating Limited, we are expecting this target could be goes down up to 55 rupees and maximum it can goes up to 100 rupees. Where we are expecting Pavna Industries, this share can goes up to down nearby 170 rupees, where maximum it can touch 240 rupees in Party Cruise Limited, this share can goes up down towards up to 14 rupees and maximum it can goes to 38 rupees. Dear investors and viewers, we have another SMEs where you can see we have given the INR pricing minimum and maximum in the year of 2021 during July, August, September somewhere, but unfortunately we have not keep a track. You can have a look around our other share target which we have shared in the past, where EKI Energy always completed this target, and now this if you buy this IPO during the 2020, trust me, you may be multi-millionaire, because the share literally performed well, and within a year they have touched around 4,000. From 102 to 4,000, one share price has goes literally up. So dear investors and viewers, we are now going to upload some of the multi-bagger shares, whatever their trends are there, whether they're flat trend, whether they're rising one. So we will come with other videos very soonly. Wait and watch. Now we are going to talk a target, which this all targets is till Jan 2022. All the shares target we are going to declare up to Jan 2022 validity, means end of the Jan. So in this case, EKI Energy Service Limited, we are expecting minimum INR will be goes down 3,800, maximum INR it can goes up to 5,800. MRP Agro Limited, we are expecting minimum INR 27, maximum INR can be 42. Knowledge and Marine Engineering Works Limited, we are expecting minimum INR goes down about 100 rupees, maximum INR it can goes 140. Rangoli Tradecom Limited, we are expecting minimum INR it can goes 90, and maximum it can goes up to 400. Where Rajeshwari Cans Limited, we are expecting it can touch up to 16 rupees, maximum it can touch up to 32 rupees. Where Adeshwar Meditex Limited, we are expecting minimum INR 22 and maximum INR 41. Times Green and Energy India Limited, we are expecting this shares could show something up and down, because still it is in a flat trend. So in that case, it will be constant, because they wanted to maintain their constants, and it is a 60 minimum INR touch, and maximum it can goes up to 71. But probably they will keep constant for next 6 months too. Platinum One Business Services, we are expecting minimum INR it can touch 190, and maximum INR it can goes about 320. Where Jetmall Spice and Masala Limited, we are expecting this can goes down towards 14 rupees, maximum it can goes up to 25 rupees. Navodaya Enterprises, it can goes down 7 rupees, and maximum it can goes to 13 rupees. Adi Shakti Loha Ispat, we are expecting it can goes down to 5 rupees, and maximum it can goes to 15 rupees. Where AA Plus Trade Link, we are expecting this share can goes down up to 6 rupees, and maximum it can goes to 12 rupees. SBL Infratech, we are expecting it can goes up to 45 rupees, and maximum it can goes up to 75 rupees. Sri Venkatesh, we are expecting it can goes down 38 rupees, maximum it can goes to 52 rupees. Where Prevest Denpro India Limited, we are expecting this company can shares can goes down 180, and maximum it can touch up to 250. Where Ashka Hospitals, we are expecting this shares can goes down up to 40 rupees, and maximum the share can goes up to 65 rupees. If you see a Focus and Business Solution, we are expecting this share can goes to downturns up to 9 rupees, and maximum it can goes to 18 rupees. Greatex Corporate Services Limited, we are expecting this share goes down at 180, and maximum it can goes up to 230. Where Samo Reality Limited, we are expecting these shares can perform up minimum at least 60 rupees, maximum it can goes up 70 rupees. Mark Online Traffic Control Limited, we are expecting the shares can goes down of rupees 70, and maximum it can goes to 85. Suyog Gurbani Furnicular Ropeway Limited, we are expecting the shares goes down to 40, and maximum it can goes to 50 or some 52 or 62, because this is pickup times we are expecting. Get Along Enterprises, we are expecting this share goes down 72, and maximum it can goes above 85. Where Promax Powers Limited, it can goes down towards 14 rupees, and maximum it can shares goes up to 21 rupees. Thank you by Vridhi Finance, and we will come back once all the shares target has been completed, or the month of first Feb we will relaunch it, our new target for the shares, whether it can be completed or cannot be completed. This all share target is valid till Jan 31st 2022.